This patient was referred to me for evaluation of tooth number 3. Crown on the tooth, previous root canal. As you can see, periapical lucency here. And take a look. And some swelling on the buccal. That's the tooth here. That's the swelling right here. So, good looking root canal, right? The root canal looks good. Why did it fail? Looks like the dentist even found the MB2. Maybe there's another canal here. This is too wide. Maybe there's an MB3 that. But my beef is, patient says she's been taking antibiotics for 5 days and she hasn't seen much difference in the size of the swelling. And I say, okay, so what did the dentist give you? Amoxicillin 500 milligrams? And patient says no. And her husband pulls out the bottle of the amoxicillin from her purse. And guys, it upsets me so much. This dentist had prescribed amoxicillin 250 milligrams. Take 2 a day. 1 in the morning, 1 at nighttime. What kind of antibiotic prescription is that? 250 milligrams twice a day? I'm so freaking upset. So basically, this patient, poor patient, has been killing the weak bacteria and selecting the strong ones, leaving the strong ones without competition, because the weak ones are dying with this low grade antibiotic amoxicillin, and the ones that are surviving this low dose antibiotics are the strongest ones. How dumb do you have to be to give a prescription like that? This is terrible. I cannot believe that a doctor would give an antibiotic prescription like that to a patient. I'm so upset.